Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a digital photo frame 10 inches by Kodak. It also has touchscreen, Wi-Fi, all the bells and whistles, and it's full HD 1200p, so a bit better than 1080p. This is how it looks like on the box right here. You can sync it with your phone, so you can actually send the photos from your phone to the photo frame itself. And it has some other features, like it's got a speaker, and it's got some ports in the back, which I'm going to show you in a bit. So it can play photo, music, video. It's got a calendar, as I said, Wi-Fi, mobile data transfer, touch screen, and it can show the weather. So it's more than a photo frame. It's actually like a mix between a tablet and a photo frame, which is absolutely great. It's nice to see that from Kodak. So let's have a look around the box. On the back you have just some information about what it is on different languages. So you got Spanish, Chinese, French, English, different languages, and yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. It's nice to see that in the front they show you what it is. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna open it and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have a user manual right here with pictures, tells you how to use it. I would suggest you give this a read to understand what this digital photo frame can do and what it cannot do. It's super handy, it's got pictures, really easy to read, pretty easy instructions to follow as well. You'll have a list of faults, troubleshooting as well, so if you encounter any problems, they have a pre-made list here and they will tell you how to fix it. If not, I'm pretty sure if you email them, they will be more than happy to help you out. But as a new product, you shouldn't have any faults. And yeah, pretty much that's it with the manual. We have a charger, UK plug. This will plug in the back. I'm going to show you in a second. And we have a micro USB cable to USB Type A. I would like to see a redesign of this because micro USB, it's pretty outdated. I don't think a lot of products use this cable anymore. I would like to see a USB Type C. Would be really handy, especially in 2025. And right here we got the main unit itself. So it's got this stand. Obviously it will rotate, but I won't rotate it now. You have some buttons, so you have a minus and a plus. That's for the volume, and you have a power button right here. And on the back we have two speakers right here and here, and we have obviously this latch you can press, and right here you have some ports. So you have DC in, the charger, this one right here. We have the micro USB, we have USB, we have a headphone jack, and we have an SD card reader, which is pretty handy because you can, of course, transfer your pictures to a USB or SD card and plug it in there, and you don't have to do all the phone transfer and everything if you don't want to do that. But if you do want to transfer them wirelessly, you got the option to do so. And on the bottom right here we have some rubber feet which will protect obviously the surface that you put it on. And yeah, pretty much that's it. This is how it looks like. That's what you get in the box. I'm going to go ahead now and turn it on, and I'm gonna show you guys the interface. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so if you hold the power button for like 2 seconds, the device will start turning on. It takes about 30 seconds to a minute for the photo frame to be fully on, but once it's on, this is the interface. As you can see, it displays the pictures right here on the top. You have album, music, videos, calendar, weather, and settings. So right now if we click on album right here, just have to do is tap it. We're gonna be prompted with some options: user upload and local import. The local import, it's actually the built-in memory storage on the photo frame, and you can check the pictures. If you click on them, it comes with some stock pictures. So we have Christmas reindeer, just some Christmas stuff, which is really nice. It already comes preloaded with some images, so it shows you what it can do. Then we have to go back. We go music right here. Obviously I didn't import any music, but once you do, you'll find it here under local music. I don't think there's nothing in there, that's why it doesn't let me click it. Video, same thing. User upload and local import. As you can see, you can edit it, you can loop it, you can carousel the videos and randomly play all. Let's go back. Calendar. It will show us an actual calendar. You can customize the calendar picture right here for each month, or you can have them play as a loop. Then we have the weather. It will show you the local weather where you live. Then we got the settings. We have some settings right here. So we got the account, we got the Wi-Fi, we got the customized alarm, time zone, pictures and storage and about. Right now we're just gonna go on customize. So right here you can choose your language, screensaver, display mode, everything in between. You can even scroll down for more options. Brightness as well. Let's set this to max brightness. You can set up an alarm. Time zone, change your time zone depending on your region. Pictures, if you want to have pictures automatically sent to this device, you can send it to this email address. You'll be a different email address for each device. Have storage, local storage. As you can see, we have 32 gigs and we got 10 gigs of cloud, which is actually nice. You don't have to pay for it, it comes by itself. And then we have about the device, some information. You can factory reset it, you can update the software from here and so on. What I like about this is that it's got, as I said, a built-in battery, so you don't have to actually have it plugged in all the time. And I think it looks pretty cool. I'm gonna try pick it up with one hand. You can also rotate it, so you can have it facing, it's pretty hard to do it with one hand while keeping it stable. So I'm gonna try to do it slow because I don't want to scratch my desk. But yeah, pretty much you can rotate it all the way up, adjust the viewing angle, which is handy. And yeah, that's it with the review. If you guys want to buy this, I'll have an Amazon link in the video description. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.